Hi everyone, let's create Skype account. First, from App Store, you can search for Skype. Okay, here. I already downloaded Skype. So come back to here, find Skype, this one. Tap Skype. Welcome to Skype. Skype name. If you have Skype account, you can add email or phone number and sign in. But I don't have, so create one. Insert your phone number. You can use your email address instead. I use email address. Next, create a password. Next, first name. Okay, just next. Verify email. Now we have to get an email and verify it. Yes. Tap the email. We need this code. Come back. Next. Next. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Verification complete. Continue. Okay. Continue. Okay. Okay. Allow. No, don't contribute. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.